Alright, we've got power on. Lamp test. Light down there should light up, and it does. Let's get to see. That noise is the fan there. We haven't hooked up the multi-level yet, but only these two are out of spec. The rest of these are all within voltage spec. And this is how I'm doing it. One big stinking toroid. I don't much care for the buzzing noise. This probably needs an oiling. Pardon the mess. AC box. There's a little jank. I tried to keep it neat. So far, so good. This is Bertha as she stands right now. It's a little crowded in here. That right there is the old 5-volt main power supply. That's about 3 farads of spicy soda. I'm missing the panels here. Need to actually make something out of acrylic for that. Joe has all of my cards. There's the rest of them. It's a little tight in here. Just a little tight.